How to verify a YouTube account to upload longer videos. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify your YouTube account to upload longer videos. First, go to the Safari or any browsing app on your mobile phone. Now search for YouTube and reach the YouTube website. After that, tap on You provided at the bottom right corner and sign in here. To sign in, hit the sign in button and verify yourself. Next, select your email and enter the password. Following that, you will sign in YouTube account and go to the home page. Now, you will see the rectangular icon with layers and tap on it. Then, reach the page menu and enable the Request Desktop website. It will show you the screen as you see on PC. Here, tap on your profile shown at the top and go to the YouTube Studio. Add your name and handle and tap on Create Channel. After that, tap on the gear icon to reach the settings. In the next step, verify your account to use the intermediate feature in the channel area. In the end, add your country name and phone number for verification. In this way, you'll be able to verify your YouTube account to upload longer videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.